Hello and welcome to ninth lecture in our comprehensive course on AI ML DS. Now, in last lecture we were talking about arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean, that is various measures of central tendency. We also talked about population and sample. Now here, this is one diagram which single diagram is enough to conceptually remember what are all three means and in which order they are related with each other, provided you understand how to construct this diagram. Okay, so suppose you are given two numbers a and b, and you are asked that find arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean of those two numbers, and suppose a is greater than b. So that is the situation. Then first of all, just draw one line segment. Remember, forget everything else. It is not yet constructed. Only a line segment is constructed where my mouse cursor is moving, and that line segment should have two parts. A is greater, so its greater part is represented by that A, and smaller part is represented by B. So what should be the total length of that line segment? A plus B, sum of A and B. Greater part is A because A is greater than B, and smaller part is B. Once that line segment is drawn, first always find arithmetic mean. So that is A plus B by 2. So exactly at the middle point of the line segment, here where cursor is moving, that is the arithmetic mean. Then construct the semicircle with center at arithmetic mean and radius equals to that point where you found the arithmetic mean to any one end of the line segment. So I created, now this semicircle was created. Fine. So first line segment A, B, then midpoint of that line segment by arithmetic mean. Now constructed semicircle. Now go to the head of the bigger value. So A was my bigger value. Then go to the head of that bigger value and drop a chord on the semicircle. So this blue color line, that is the chord on my semicircle. Then this much, the length of that chord, that is the that is the harmonic mean, okay, of A and B. While the half of this length, that is from the center to half of this line segment AC, that is the arithmetic mean. This is harmonic mean. Okay. Now whenever you try to draw that chord, that will intersect with the semicircle somewhere here. Then join that point to the center. Center means your arithmetic mean. Okay. So join those two by a radius, and wherever your head of larger number was there, that means from wherever you have drawn your chord to find the harmonic mean, from same point now you draw a perpendicular on that radius which you just now created, and consider only that part of radius which is going from the circumference to the foot of that perpendicular, only that much. That means that ignore the dotted part, only this red colored portion. That is the harmonic mean. Okay, so clearly it is visible that harmonic mean is smaller, geometrical mean is bigger than harmonic mean, and arithmetic mean is the largest. Okay, and this shows the same explanation, but I just want this thing that harmonic mean is less than or equal to geometric mean, and it is less than or equal to arithmetic mean. Okay, so please read this explanation. This I am keeping as just a small lecture because of this reason that I want to keep this part separate, that is variation, measures of variation. That is a separate portion, so I want to keep it separate. So we stop here. It is just around 5 minutes lecture.